Corolla car seat cover installation video. Front row installation. Remove the headrest. Note this switch can be pressed to remove the headrest. Note the airbag opening should be on the door side of the vehicle. Confirm correct labeling. Open the zipper on the seat cover. Slide the cover over the seat back and adjust it. Push the fabric over the headrest trim. Use the tool to insert the seat cover between the backrest and the seat surface. Close the zip on the seat cover. This is an important step. Remove the blocking gear at the bottom of the seat, tucked into the backrest of the seat cover. Pull out the seat cover that came through. Pull the fabric tightly. Tear off the cloth from the Velcro. Secure the fabric to the Velcro. Confirm correct labeling. Place the cover on the seat bottom and adjust it. Using the tool, pass the straps through the seat back and bottom. Using the tool, tuck the cover under the plastic trim. Pass the straps under the seat. Secure the clips and tighten them. Front row after installation. Rear row installation. Take off the middle seat belt first. Lift the original seat upwards from this position. Unclip the seat cover clips. Place the cover on the seat bottom and adjust it. Secure the clips and tighten them. Slide the cover over the seat back and adjust it.